Hey, Storytime kids! For those of you who are ages 2 to 5, we have some Storytime kits with all the supplies that you will need to do our Storytime crafts while we are not meeting in the library. So if you don't have any of this stuff at home, or you can't afford it, and you want to do our crafts with us and you don't have everything, this is what you can pick up in the library starting on January 4th. So if you look at it, it's a Storytime kit on the outside, and I'm going to show you what's inside of it, okay? So it's just bursting with fun stuff. It has 4 markers in it. It has a glue stick, which you probably recognize from Storytime. It has a pair of scissors that you can use to cut out things for Storytime crafts. It also has some tape so that you can tape things, and some liquid glue. And then let me show you the funnest part of this whole thing. So I'll take it all out, set it right there. This is the funnest part. You have your own little flannel board right here in this case. So if you want to, you can put all of the supplies in something else, and then you can put your flannel board figures in here so you can tell flannel board stories with it. But this is the Storytime Supply Kit, and you can get these on January 4th.